In other business news, mining giant SOUTH32 has outperformed its 2025 production target with a strong boost from copper and aluminium output. Now, the company says it achieved 102% of its full-year production guidance. Moreover, copper output from its Sierra Gorda mine in Chile rose 20% year-on-year, topping targets by 4%. Now, in South Africa, annual manganese output dipped slightly by 1.1% but rebounded 11% in the fourth quarter. Additionally, group sales volumes jumped 21% in the June quarter. FMB's Zimelo Mbanjwa unpacks the results in more detail.
Yeah, so earlier this morning we got the full year production report from South32 for the financial year 2025. Very well received by the market. Stock price was up 4.5% in Australian, the Australian ASX, and in the JSE into the afternoon was up around 5.5%. So the market was really impressed by the production performance overall. In aggregate, the group exceeded guidance by around 2% for the year across the board. Strong performances from the key operations. So the copper production up around 20%. Another key element to the group is aluminium. That was also up around 6%. Manganese was also a positive. That was up around 9%, or at least was 9% above guidance, which was a very pleasing surprise given the fact that the aluminium manganese operation in Australia was affected by the hurricane, rather cyclone Megan last year. So the recovery there, I think, came a bit sooner than expected. In fact, that business is already selling product again, so that's very positive going forward. South African manganese operation closed the year very strongly as well, so that was another positive. Looking ahead, guidance was also positive across most of the operations. A slight downward revision on the copper, and unchanged for most operations. As I said, with the Mozal alumina, with the electricity situation, that's a bit under review for now. But all in all, it was just a very positive performance.